Let your friends help you. Ask for and accept support from others. Last card is forgiving and learning. As you release and heal the past, you experience more love in your present moments. Okay. I feel like for some of you guys, you could have gotten out of a relationship or some type of commitment here. And this person that you guys were dealing with, and y'all know it can be vice versa, so just take it however it fits your situation. But I feel like somebody did a number on you, where it could have like taken a stab at your self-esteem. And so I feel like Spirit is saying like this was a lesson that you had to go through, because it's supposed to allow you to see certain things for you to be stronger. So it's like they want you to focus on you, focus on yourself. They need you to forgive and let go of the past hurt, whether it's like relationship, friendships, family, like whoever has done you wrong. I feel like they want you guys to heal. And it could be a situation to where you guys are going to your friends to basically help you. And even if it's a situation to where, let's just say you guys have been single for a while, you have been working on yourself, you're ready to put yourself out there, I feel like some of you guys could be scared to do that because of the past hurt. So I feel like they're saying, you know, let your friends help you. You know, maybe your friends are trying to set you up with someone and you're like, but you got to let go of the past. Yeah, that's what I'm picking up so far. This is, y'all like the first person that it's like I'm not seeing an ex come back. So, will this be a singles reading? We shall see. But it's always a plot twist, okay, with my cards. So, let's just see how this plays out. But, all right, Gemini. So, definitely, I mean, overall message, y'all heal. Continue healing. Continue forgiving yourself for, you know, whatever situation that you put yourself in, whether this person that you were dealing with apologized to you or not. You're forgiving the situation for you and not them. You can forgive. You don't have to forget, okay? Alright, so let's just see. Alright, so overall energy, bottom of the deck, I have the 10 of Wands. So this is telling me that you guys are letting something go. Yeah, y'all are dropping something. So let's see how this plays out. Okay, some of you guys could have been dealing with an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or Virgo. But this is telling me that somebody is having a hard time. Could be with money. I definitely feel like somebody wants stability with you, but there was like some type of interference, like a third party here. Somebody was definitely trying to make sure that this didn't happen. But see, somebody is ready to take the leap with you, Gemini. Somebody has been talking to their friends, their family. So this could have been the other person too, but somebody's trying to figure out what to do because they want to take a leap to fix things with you. Somebody wants to turn things around. Oh, y'all. Okay, hold on, y'all. We got to back up. We got to back up. So, because I just heard this. So, these three cards, love yourself first, let your friends help you, forgiving and learning. God dang it, Gemini. I was just saying, you know, I was like, y'all are the first ones that's not talking about no ex or anything. Yeah, I lied, because I'm hearing loud and clear. For some of you guys, what I said in the beginning, that is absolutely correct. They definitely want you to focus on you and heal. But for others of you guys, there is an ex that's trying to come back in. They messed up so bad, they don't even know how to even approach you. They don't even know what to say. So they are going to their friends, asking their friends for advice because, see, they want to turn things around. They want you to forgive them because they messed up bad. But this person is going through, they have insecurity issues. And so it's kind of like, I feel like they were entertaining like other people because they like to get their little ego stroked or whatever. And so, yeah, oh, Gemini, my bad. Y'all aren't the first ones, okay? Just join the rest of the collective, okay? But let's just see how this plays out. You never know. Okay, so anyway, the star is here. So somebody could be dealing with an Aquarius, but the person that messed up, they definitely want to come back and work things out with you, and they're trying to hold on to hope that it can happen. Because, see, this person, yeah, they went through lessons. It's like they had to go through this to realize who they had, what they had, and what they want. They've been doing a lot of self-reflecting. Some of you guys could have been dealing with a Virgo, But see, this person, they want stability with you. Could have been dealing with an Aries. But yeah, this person, I'm telling you, they're going to come back in. Oh, almost cursed. Not on Easter. I'm trying, y'all. Okay, y'all see this? The Emperor and the Empress? Oh my gosh, yes. Oh, this is going to be good. Okay. Oh. Hold on, y'all. I have to, when I tell y'all, like, it's not a lot. I get the Emperor and the Empress, the High Priestess, and the Hierophant. Like, so when I get them cards, I just stare. Like, I love it. So this is telling me that you guys are definitely dealing with a soulmate, possible twin flame, okay? This person effed up bad. Do you hear me? And they're wanting to come back in to fix things with you. They definitely want a new beginning with you. They want to have a peace of mind with you. Oh, yeah. Oh, this is going to be good. This is going to be good. Okay, anyway. Y'all know I'm crazy. Anyway, so let's see. But the thing is, they're not positive if they can have all of this with you. But see, they're getting ready to speak their truth to you, Gemini. They're getting ready to open up the line of communication if you guys haven't heard from them. Or if you guys just kind of like, stop talking. They definitely want a new beginning with you, but the thing is, they were being childish and immature in the past. And see, they're scared to come back. That's why they're asking their friends to help them. See? There was no balance. Some of you guys could have been dealing with a Sagittarius, but there was no balance here. And they're scared that you don't want to build with them anymore. So, they made a decision. Clarify judgment in reverse, please. They made a decision. This person's getting ready to rush in, Gemini. They're going to rush in because they want to fix things with you. But see, this person was moving extremely slow in the past. And I feel like they're frustrated because maybe they can't move forward with you due to the fact their money isn't right. Yeah, somebody's money isn't right. So it's like they know what they want, which is you. They want to come in to work on things, to fix things, but financially speaking, they're not in the best position to do that. So let's see. But Spirit is saying they're going to use their intuition. I definitely feel like they want to give you an offer, but they feel like they can't give you the world. They can't give you everything that you deserve. Let's see. Somebody is definitely, whoever messed up. So Gemini, if you messed up, follow along, okay? But if it's the other person, whoever messed up, they had to walk away from some type of toxic situation that they put themselves in. They're no longer looking back at the past, and this is why they're asking their friends to help them. Because, see, they're going to come back to give you an apology. But they're not confident in doing so right now because it's like they made a bad decision, okay? Somebody could have been dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. I'm sorry, I don't know if I said somebody could have been dealing with a Capricorn, but if I did, my bad, y'all. But anyway, I feel like they want to apologize to you because it could have been the fact that somebody was being a player in the past, and now it's like they see who you are and they know what they want with you, so they're going to take a stand to try to come in, and they're going to come in fast. It's like this person does not want you to get away from them. See, they want things to improve, but I feel like they see clearly now after you cut them off. It's like after you cut them off, it's like, oh, now I see. Okay, wait. We got to fix this. So, yeah, y'all cut them off 100%. And see, now they're cutting off this third-party situation, but they're scared that things may not improve due to the fact that there was a breakup. So I feel like you guys ended things with each other. There was a third party here. This person that messed up, they know that they have to cut that third party off. They ended. They were in a relationship, commitment, marriage, whatever it is. They had to let this person go. They wanted to be with you. See? They feel guilty. They definitely felt guilty for what they put you through. And they're ready to put in the work. Oh, I love it. This looks good, guys. This looks really good. Okay, let's see. They're ready to put in the work to fix things. But see, right now, they don't have the strength to do that. Why not? Because they haven't completely walked away from this third-party situation just yet. And that's 2 8s. Yeah. Somebody's dealing with a Leo. But I also feel like they don't want you to walk away from them. But y'all, they know you're not going to wait. And see, they were really in their head. They were confused. They didn't know what they wanted to do. And now, you know, they're feeling like, I think they felt like they lost you for good, and this is why they're trying to make a move. But see, they're scared that you don't want this new opportunity. You don't want this new beginning because they were playing games. Why is the Queen of Pentacles here? Somebody could have been dealing with an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or a Virgo. Hold on, y'all. I want to make sure, see if that's y'all or not. Tell me more. Yep, Gemini, it is you. Y'all are just focusing on yourselves. You're focusing on you. You're healing. You're worried about your own stability. And I feel like because of that, this person is scared that they're not going to be able to have this family with you. They're not going to be able to have wish fulfillment with you. Gemini, you could be dealing with another Gemini. But there's definitely love here. Clarify the lovers. You guys feel like this is your soulmate. But somebody's not happy. Somebody feels like maybe they can't have a happy home with this person, due to the fact that somebody has been being really nasty to them. Could be dealing with another air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, or a Libra. But somebody's coming off really cold and harsh. So whoever... whoever messed up, this person wants to come back to fix things, but the person on the other end is like, no, we're not doing this because I'm tired of you putting me through the mess. I'm tired of you putting me through the drama. So it's like your guard is up, and you're willing to hear them out, but you're tired of the games. So, but the way the Two of Swords came out, somebody keeps going back and forth because it's like 1 minute they make a decision, but the next minute they don't know what to do. Tell me more. Yeah. Could be dealing with a Taurus, but somebody basically is like, okay, I don't know if this person even wants to have a commitment with me. Maybe you guys had to remove yourself from that because, see, look, this person is upset. They're sad because it's like they took you through all of this, and it's like now at the end of the day, they're realizing who they want, what they want, and now they feel like it's too late. This person is emotional. They're sad. Somebody, you see, they're not happy. They're definitely not happy. Somebody could be dealing with a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio. But somebody's not happy, and that's why communication isn't coming in as fast just yet. Because, see, I told y'all, somebody has not completely walked away from a third-party situation. Somebody's still stuck in some type of codependent situation, or that's how they're feeling. Because, honestly, I feel like they're not really stuck. It's just all in their head. They can get out of it, but they need to start making the move. And, see, this person, these options that they're seeing, they don't like them. And, this is a part of their karma. Y'all aren't worried about it, okay? Y'all like, you know what? I don't have time for that, then, you. So, with the Wheel of Fortune here reversed, I feel like your person is still working out their karma. Because, see, they have not gotten out of that codependent relationship just yet. They're still going through their lessons. This is why things have not been moving forward. But, see, there's going to be the truth. The truth is coming out, Gemini. The truth is coming out, and when it does, somebody's undecided about what to do next. Tell me more. Justice. Yeah, your justice is going to be served, Gemini. Could be dealing with a Libra. Clarify justice. Let me see. Yep. Somebody's trying to get out of a third-party situation, and then there's the look at that. 3 of Swords at the bottom of the deck. Somebody's finding out the truth about something, and they're going to remove themselves from a third party. Somebody could be going through a legal situation. Maybe they live together. They got to break the lease, mortgage. It could be anything. But somebody is going to remove themselves. Yeah, they made a decision. Tell me more. Yeah, somebody made a decision that they're going to clean up their act. They're no longer playing this game anymore. And see, they're no longer frustrated, but see, they're back and forth with the moon. Could be dealing with the Pisces, but see, somebody's scared. They're scared that if they give you the truth, you're not going to accept them. So there's a level of fear because, see, they had a lot of secrets. Things that you didn't know. Tell me more. I'm not taking all of that. Tell me more. Queen of Wands. Clarify the Queen of Wands. Somebody could be dealing with a fire sign. Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. I feel like you guys are just trying to remain positive because you're basically not up for arguing. I feel like this person doesn't want to argue with you. You're someone that they need in their life. Like, y'all heard me. I said need, not want. They need you. Not on some, I need you to help me pay bills. Like, I need you mentally. I need you spiritually. I need you emotionally. Like, you are the one. And see, that's why they're going to come back to give you this offer. There's the Ace of Cups, a secure offer of commitment. Because see, whoever was feeling stuck or trapped in a situation, they're freeing themselves. And they're going to speak their truth. They're no longer frustrated. I'm telling you, this person knows what they want and who they want. They want a victory with you. And see, it's like they were confused once upon a time. But now they're doing what they got to do to come forward. And they are moving a little slow because they're taking it day by day. Because this person is sad because I'm telling you, somebody feels like they may lose out on, like, money. I have been seeing that all day today. It's a big emphasis within all these zodiac signs with money. Somebody, I feel like those are lessons. Somebody is getting hit in the pockets for some. Now, for others, if that has nothing to do with it, it's just that, like, this person is just sad. Tell me more. Yeah, this person could be sad because they feel like the seeds that they planted with you is not going to grow due to the fact that they broke your heart, putting you in some type of third-party situation. Could be dealing with a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio, and there's a Cancer. They know that they hurt you, right? They know that. And they also know that you're no longer going to open up to them. You're no longer speaking your truth. You're tired. You're done. And they want to move forward with you, but they're scared that you're going to move away from them. See? They're scared they're not going to have this new beginning that they want with you. Because, see, if they come back and give you this offer, they feel like you're going to turn it down. Because they left you out in the cold. They ghosted you. Tell me more. I'm telling you, this is why this person is moving slow. I feel like they're also moving slow because they want to make sure when they come back, it's no drama. But they are scared that they're not going to have a new beginning with you. Somebody could be dealing with a Scorpio. Yeah, because they're scared they're not going to have a new beginning with you due to the fact of what they did in the past. And they're scared that things may not improve with you. Or this could be your energy. You're afraid that, okay, if they come back and I give this person a chance, will things improve? Because it's the same old, same old. Like, I'm tired of going through this. But see, somebody wants to balance things out because, see, there was no balance. Somebody definitely was giving to two. And I just feel like, Gemini, if this is you, it's like you got stabbed in the back. And you've been healing. I just honestly see that you guys have definitely been working on yourself. And like I said, it can go vice versa. Take it however it fits. But I feel like on your end, you've been healing. And whoever messed up, they're regretting it because now they want to come back in. They just don't know how. And they're taking their time. But they're trying to get help from their friends, close family members, whoever, to figure out the best way to approach you to work things out. Ooh, Gemini. Y'all leave me some comments. Let me know if this resonates for you guys. Bye, Gemini. Bye, Gemini. Bye, Gemini.